Hey everyone, welcome back to WebFlax. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable a mobile hotspot on your Windows 11 computer. It's super easy, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to share your internet connection with any device in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, click on the Start button or press the Windows key on your keyboard. Then type Settings in the search bar and open the Settings app. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Network and Internet tab on the left-hand side. Click on it. Now, click on the Mobile Hotspot option. Here, you'll see a toggle switch at the top. Turn it on to enable the hotspot feature. This will instantly activate your mobile hotspot, and your PC will now share its internet connection with other devices. If you want to customize your hotspot, click on the Edit button under the Network Name and Password section. Here, you can change the network name and password to make it easier for your devices to connect. After making your changes, click Save. Now, take any device you want to connect to your hotspot, open the Wi-Fi settings, find your hotspot name, and enter the password. It's as simple as that. If you run into any issues, make sure your computer's Wi-Fi adapter is turned on and that your PC is connected to the internet. You can also restart your computer to resolve common issues. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope this helped you enable the hotspot feature on your Windows 11 PC. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to WebFlax, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.